Riding with
Robin.
Hi, how y'all doing today? So today we brought you, and mind you, it's Sunday, and I'm glad you guys are tuning back in with us. Look what we have here. Can you see that? Look at that. So we have the shrimp, we have mussels. We got crawfish. I don't really know how to eat these, but she gonna teach you today.
I got this.
And we got crab and corn. See the corn? And look, they're a little bigger. You can actually see the scallops today. And of course, potatoes. So, I love rice. Let me show you something.
Let's do this.
Look at hers compared to mine. She didn't want me to eat hers. So that's what we did. And so this right here is Bloves smackalicious sauce. And we also have eggs. And yes, I have my So Cool in the house. And of course, we have tea. So, yes.
How about this?
Oh, and so also, this is the sauce. So, actually, we went to the boiling crawfish, and this is their sauce. I want to say it's their house sauce, with a little lemon, a little butter, and a little garlic. But you know I had to have Bloves because I love my rice, and I didn't know how that was going to taste, and I know how her sauce is delicious. So, let's go on straight into this. Let's go. So I'm gonna need you. We got a topic too today, but we gonna do that later. So I'm gonna need you to show me how to do these little little things.
That's the same thing the way you do like you
Roll
do with
back.
lobster. You just take this.
Okay,
part,
can you show me? Because I'm not sure how to do that.
You just take this over.
And what part do you eat?
I mean the legs. You still can get some meat off the legs.
Them little tiny legs.
Yeah,
There's
you know what
nothing
I'm
there. Look at that. Hello.
You went to where you went to get it from, but you had to pull this out, right? The meat. Oh, did you get some? Okay.
Okay, so let me try it. So I open it up. This part right here, the tail. Crack it open.
Some people suck in there because there's all the seasons in there.
No. So and then
I'm gonna try it because it got seasoning in it.
and then I take this little legs and stuff off. You're not a good teacher right now.
That's all I'm saying is go ahead.
So do I take this off, or you suck it through? How do you do it?
Yeah, you peel it off like you're doing it.
Oh, because I've seen them suck something through, and I wasn't sure what it was that they were doing.
I'm gonna do this potato thing. I'm putting in the Bloves sauce. Yeah, you got it. Too.
Okay. All that, but this little bitty piece of meat. Let's try this though in our sauce.
You know what I'm saying?
I'm
gonna try this in their little sauce. Let me try that.
I'm gonna try a scallop.
I'm gonna try in their sauce.
Her sauce is so good. That's good. Let me see.
Your sauce is Bombay too.
That's good. Let me try it.
I bet it.
Oh, good.
You see that? That's good too.
I need my own bowl. That's good.
I don't know what they put in it, but it's good.
That's great. Let's do some corn. Her sauce is still good. I got a whole pile of rice over here, guys.
Bloves, I got you.
So it's Sunday. And
Woo.
I was starving. Is that hot?
That'll be Bloves sauce.
Oh yeah, that's
I'm gonna
good.
pick up some of this on you.
Be careful when you taste it and make sure it's not too hot because you know I don't do hot. Please. I told them before, but that might be too hot.
That's not the hot stuff.
That's the hot stuff they put in there.
Nah.
Oh, what is it then? Tell me.
It's just a little seasoning stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Try that.
What?
That and the sauce.
That mussel.
Mm-hmm.
Can you hand me a napkin, please? Stop me hit the back of my throat.
This is bomb. Hold on a second.
Are you sure orange shirts before they get messed up? Look at Mickey.
I was like,
Mickey.
why am I wearing Mickey with you?
Thank you.
I
She thought she had Minnie Mouse. That was so funny. Here's another one.
All right.
Excuse me. You guys know what the seasonings do to me. Yeah. But I don't care. It's good. I will sneeze all through this video.
Okay, right one.
Huh? Oh, wait.
Put it back in Bloves, though.
Mm-hmm. Sure did. Let me try it myself. So
This
what?
sauce is good too, but god damn it.
That's good. The love sauce.
Let me try this one. Shrimp.
So, we had a couple of questions that was asked for us to to answer. And, hold on.
That was good. Remember that time you guys put your egg on my rice? What I'm gonna do is I'm pour a little bit of these people's sauce out here. See what it tastes like.
I'm just using the Love's sauce because I already know what the outcome is with that.
Let's take it with the rice. Let me do it. Next time I go back, I'm gonna use hers. The Love.
That's good.
Let me get one of those eggs though, you know what I'm saying?
Sure.
We got some eggs.
There you go. We're going to get into the question in just a minute. Let us eat just a little bit. I'm so hungry. I waited for this all day. There was so much going on. I was like, okay, I'm ready. I'm hungry, guys. So.
You're looking at me all crazy. I was doing stuff.
What the egg tastes like in there?
I just did it in there. You already know what it tastes like. So I'm trying to.
In that one.
I didn't taste
Let
it
me
yet.
try it. Let me see. It's not the same.
Not the same? Let me see.
I have a different taste to it.
It
With
does.
the egg in there.
You can do it with the dig it all up in there. Dig up some shit. There you go.
So cool. Let me see what's going on.
Oh my god. Put the back of the Bloves sauce. Girl, I got the shit over my finger.
That tea. It's so good.
You got some more tea?
I did. It is so good. Let me do a crab. The once I did crab. Once I do a crab. There's some more corn over here. Another? Okay. Then we'll get into the question.
You know what they did?
What they do?
They put some their seasoning, their sauce tastes good when they put it in there. But when you got to dip it to eat it with the sauce, it be love. Hands down, bro.
Right.
Hands up. Hands up.
It's everything. It's everything.
That's good. That's good.
And I'm not just saying that because,
That's
you
good.
know, because everybody's using it. You know, everybody's wanting to do it.
Good.
It's really good.
It's really good.
Because, just like I did with the gold chicken last week. I'm going to tell you the truth.
No.
If it's not good, it's not good. This is really good.
Their sauce is good too.
It is.
But this one.
No, I added a little more brown sugar. And
Too bad.
The rest of her smackalicious sauce.
Oh, did you?
A little more than what they call for.
Mm-hmm.
And we didn't have Coca-Cola.
Oh.
So I used ginger ale.
That's a good taster. I'm gonna try their sauce again. Come on, guys, come on. Bring me up, bring me something.
That's so
Still good. It's still good, but it's not hitting the point.
Right.
I'm gonna take that. Go ahead.
Okay. Let's start our questions.
No,
You're not ready?
I ain't say that. Once about time, somebody told me I need to use a bib. Cause push it on my shirt all the time.
Yeah.
I feel it coming though.
It's coming.
So I'm gonna put this corn in this one. That's right. Go ahead with your question.
Okay. So, the first question was, what made us get into a woman and woman relationship?
Awesome.
Baby, you want to start off? Huh?
No. Good.
So, for me, I have 5 girls.
Sounds a
And
little nasty to me.
so, I just wanted to try something different. And it didn't happen until like I was in my late 30s. And I tried it. And I mean, it's cool. It's what I do, you know.
Now I'm trying to love sauce in my brain.
And I'm not gonna say that it's for everybody. It's what you like. Nowadays, you might like salt. I might like pepper. You know, it is what it is. I like sugar on my grits. You might like salt and pepper on yours better. So that's how it happened. And I love your crazy butt.
Okay, I love you too.
Okay. So, and you answer the question? What made you start dating women?
Yeah, y'all don't want to know that one. I can't explain that one. I can't explain that one.
Huh?
I started when I was like, I want to say 30, 31. But what happened was, I was working in a restaurant. And this girl was like, she called up on the phone. And she was like, I don't know if she came in the restaurant. I don't know if she seen me or whatever. But she was like, can we get some crawfish and blah, blah, blah. I was like, yeah. That's cool. You can get that. How much it is a pound? So I told her how much it was. So the next thing you know, she was like, you know, I live all the way in, I live all the way in a certain place and blah, blah, blah. Is there a way you guys deliver? I was like, no, deliver. And then she, long story short, I went over there one day. I was like, look, I got you. I'll bring it to you. Everybody over there and I was drinking some beer. I was younger. I got drunk. Next thing you know, my clothes was off because I was fucked up. She took advantage of me. And I was like, oh! I was like, it's a different feeling from what did I do? Right? So I went home, I scrubbed myself, I was like, dramatized. Acting a damn goddamn fool. And I was like, I had a boyfriend. So I was like, oh my God. What the hell? So I didn't tell nobody, I was keeping it to myself. So she calls me again at the restaurant, I was like, oh my God. And she was like, you okay? I was like, yeah. She said, you're not answering my phone calls. I was like, no. You know, to myself, like, no. I mean, this is like weird. I mean, like, this is not supposed to be happening. So, long story short, she like come back over. I was like, no. And she was like, I'll pay you extra to come over there. I was like, she's younger than me. How the hell you gonna be younger than me and try to turn the older person down? What happened? So after that, I'm like, I think I like this. So I went with work with it. My mission was turn all the women out that I can turn out. And I did that. So I got some.
Anywho.
Anywho, you told me this.
So, yeah, that's how that happened. The next question was, what is some of the challenging?
Huh? Okay, what happened?
What is some of the challenging things that's in our marriage? What was some of the most challenging things in our marriage?
I think I'm hungry. Oh, yeah. So, back to the potatoes. And there's sauce and potato sauce.
And how'd you overcome it?
She talking to me?
Yes.
You talking to me?
Yeah.
I'm looking my hearing aid went out. Somebody talking to me?
For me,
Let me hold these.
it was, she's better now. A little bit, I may say. But when she gets upset, she don't know how to turn it down. And when she does, it takes a very long time. But she's better now. Because all I do is look at her. And she'll stand there, she'll sit there and go, okay, she'll be fine.
Okay.
Oh, you came a long way. I mean, well, we're good. I mean, if you're with someone and you guys decided to get married, you know, it took us to stop and come back to get to know each other. And most of the time, that's what you need to do if you don't know that person. You have to really figure out, is this who I want to be with all my life? And you look at them and think about it and live with them for a little while. And then you decide what she don't like, what I don't like. But it has to be balanced out because there's a lot of things I probably still don't like that she does. But I balance it out, and vice versa. I'm sure there's a lot of things that I do that she still don't like, but it comes together when we talk about it, and it is what it is, and that's what it's about, communication. You know, you want to add to it?
I don't like LaShawn.
Yeah.
LaShawn is a trip.
So,
LaShawn is her middle name. And when God comes down, LaShawn's a trip. I look over there, I was like, LaShawn, I don't fucking like you right now. Her name is Tanya though. LaShawn is the bitch. She becomes a bitch. I turn my back. I'm like, I have no time for LaShawn right now.
Mother Nature does touch me a little bit when it comes to that. I try though. I've really gotten better. I really hold myself. I think about it like I can feel myself like getting upset just because I know. I'm like, what is wrong with you? Oh yeah, that's right, my little friend. You know, but I don't. I mean, I snap off a little bit. You have to give it to me just a little bit sometimes now. It's not like it used to be. You know that.
I go to work, and the first thing she say, "You don't love me no more." I was like, "Oh, fuck."
It's the emotions sometimes that
The bitch is here.
Yeah.
You don't like me because I'm fat. I be like, oh my God, I'm in trouble right now. it's coming. It's coming. And then I had to sit there and stare at her, and then she start arguing with me and start a fight. I'm like, okay, it's fight time. Fight time. Didn't do nothing. Fight time.
And she always knows, like, I think she cheats, because she always knows when it comes, and even if it be something, I'll be upset, she'll be like, oh, must be that stupid time for you or something like that. I'm like, only because you know that is around that time, but anyway, yeah. Communication is everything. Get to know the person, you know, balance it out.
I don't do that to you.
What?
I don't do none of that to you.
No,
well,
you don't. But sometimes you have an attitude just because you could be mad at somebody around the corner.
I don't say that to you.
And come in.
I don't say that to you. I don't say that to you.
I know. You get quiet and be like, "What's wrong?" But other than that, we work it out. We work it out, and that's what you do. You're gonna laugh. You're gonna have your good times. You're gonna have your bad times. You have to work on it. You know, it's really a full-time job. Especially, you know. But if you're compatible, you're compatible. You know, and you can work it out if you really, really want to be with that person, and you know that's what you're gonna be with. Work it out. You know, make it work. So, the third question was, now this one is, I could barely even pronounce it.
Okay. I don't know.
I can't, because, what is it called? It begins with a P. But basically, I looked it up, and what it is it's just two couples being together, and then you're fine with someone else being with you as well. Well, I've seen a lot of people, and you know they even have a show on it, on like the I want to say it's the Amish. They do that, you know, and what they do is I've seen the program where he had many wives, you know. The Amish, yeah. Did I say Amish? Okay, Amish, yeah. And they have many wives, and they all live together, you know, and he's, you know, and I've seen that. And, you know, I've seen that a lot in the LBGT as well.
I don't know about that.
And, I mean, it's not good. Me, myself, that's how do I feel about it. Is not happening. I don't. I'm sorry. I don't share. And for another reason is, you know, it takes up too much energy. Like, just say, for instance, if she was with somebody else and had me, and I know me, and I'm already like, really? I'm gonna have attitude. It's not gonna work, you know. And then she'll be mad at that person, and she'll come over there trying to be cool with you, and then she's already still mad at that. It's too much. But some people don't mind doing it because they're figuring, you know, why not? I still have the person that I want to be with, and they're happy. I guess it's like having a menage a trois, right? Everybody's happy, you know, until the end of the day, to where someone feels like they have more time with that person, you know. I don't know. Two suits, it's on. If that's what you like, that's what you like. But for me, it's not happening. Sorry. I am an only child, spoiled. I like my own toys. I'm not sharing. And it is what it is, you know. But like I said, I had put this on Facebook and asked the people on my family on Facebook and friends what did they think. And so I put a little picture up there, and they were like, oh, it was this girl in the middle and these two guys on the side, and they're all, and then they were like, well, they look happy. What's the problem? There it is, you know. What suits them is probably good for them, where it's not good for, you know, I couldn't do it. You know, we're not doing that, you know. We're just not. So, let me think. Was there any more questions? Do you remember?
No, I'm not.
Why don't you want to answer questions? These are areas that people are asking us.
Okay, I hope not then.
We want to answer questions.
Okay.
No, I ain't her. She's trying to eat. But like I said, any
Seahawks!
Oh, they won today. Yeah, they did.
Of course, you know. I do this for the damn Seahawks for me.
They wanted them. But listen, like I said, any comments or anything you want to ask, please put it down below in the comments, and we will address it. So, you know, because I understand that people struggle when they're with someone or they feel like this person. Sometimes they want to come over and get some advice from somebody else, and for real, I'm open for it. I enjoy it. You almost full?
No, I'm just listening to you.
Is it quitting time for you? You didn't eat no shrimp.
You always do that. You always don't want me to eat some stuff that you know that I'm going to eat. Don't rush me.
Okay. I won't rush her. She don't want to be rushed. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good. I wish you guys were here to taste this for real. For real, this is so marvelous. Did you get some on your shirt yet? Oh, almost a little bit.
That's done.
Yep. Sharon Longmont, she thinks it's time to sign off for work. Did you get a scallop?
You.
They were good. Them were really big ones. See? The last one I got, it was that little. It was like.
You saved me one?
It's 2 right here. Here you go. It was only 4. I ate 2. You ate 2. We are happy. Ha! Happy, and you know it. Clap your hands. Yes.
That's not funny right now, bro.
Is it good? You know, I'm gonna tell you the truth and keep it real. You know, I keep it real, but it's real TV right here. I ain't one of these jokers. I had a really problem with busting that head off and tasting that, and something hit my tongue that just the texture just was wrong. But I asked you to eat one, please.
I did.
You did? Did you taste that texture? Like, I wonder if it's just right here, look. Because I love shrimp. Yeah. Go ahead. I made this potato. I'm fine. It was too mushy right there. What?
Okay, I know if that was mushy. I mean, not. They ain't the vein of shit. I mean, excuse my language. We're gonna do this. Big one. Take some of this. Oh, mushy there. Shrimp ain't supposed to. Pull it out.
I say that's the delicacies in the middle. I don't know.
But the shit ain't supposed to be.
Yeah, I know. I don't know.
The food is hella good. I mean, did they
This is great.
overcook this?
No, I think that's just how it is with me because I have to actually go in there and open it and see all
The
that.
shrimp ain't supposed to be soft like that.
Oh, maybe because it's set in the sauce. Because it took us so long to get busy with this video. Oh. You want to sing with me? Next time, I'll give you the words before I go.
Can I get some napkins?
Sure. This is good. There we go.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Beloved. This sauce is Bombay.
Show is good. Did you see where Beloved was with Tamar, and with James? Okay. Did you see that? Did you watch that?
Oh, a little bit.
Did you see Tamar do this? Right here, let me show you real quick. Hold on, let me show you what Tamar did. Let me show you. She like this. Hold on. I have to do this, Sasha. That's what Tamar was doing through the whole video. I was like, why are you cracking your lips like that? No.
That was good. It was good.
Oh, she was, it was. That's my girl, though. I like Tamar. I do.
I like it when she went to the store and got the little, the spicy chicken.
Oh, yeah. You know, she went twice. She was like, I gotta try it again. That's my girl.
Yeah, you know who you are. Because there's a thing on the sky.
Yeah, right. I wish you guys can join us. This is so good. You're looking for. Yeah. Preach, Robin. Preach.
She always up in my business. Always. Always want to say, oh, you look a little fool. Why I got people?
Because you quiet and you are. You want some?
I'm just not understanding that. That's what I was.
I don't know. I should have another thing of crab.
This is what I don't understand. Why you not eating that rice up like you did last time when we was eating the other stuff? You got a whole thing of rice going on right there.
Because I have a variety of things right here. Right? My eyes was kind of bigger than my stomach on that rice because it's good. But I'm still trying to work with this right here. Who egg is that? Yours?
Yep.
I think that's my egg. And see, I'm still trying to get what I need to get right here. Okay? Okay.
That's my time. I gotta wear this Minnie Mouse shit, and then she gonna talk that shit. I wear this bullshit. Fuck, I don't wear shit like this.
Look, Minnie in the house, Minnie Mouse in the house. Minnie Mouse.
When you went to the store today?
Huh?
Do you have a couple sippy?
No. I'm drinking Soco.
Turned that.
You guys would know if I was turned up, okay? I try not to get turned up before we get on this video because it will be all over.
LaShawn comes out then too.
Sure do. I want you guys to say congratulations to my grandbaby who was born yesterday. Her name is Zayraya. I'll call her Zayraya. Say Zayraya. She's so beautiful though. Really.
Did my wife just get ghetto?
Did I get ghetto? Her name is Zayraya. You have to go with the name Zayraya. Zayraya. Right. Zayraya. Right?
She cute too. Cute
She is so cute. She looks just like her grandmother. Oh my God, she gets it from her grandmother. That is so amazing. Back to the food.
She was there when they did the nasty. She was there when they did it, I guess. So she came out looking like her. Okay. You said she looked like you?
No, see what happened was she probably was mad at me a few times, you know?
Okay. I got you.
I got these crabs. Show is good.
That baby wasn't ready to come out. She was chilling.
She was like, not yet. Not yet.
Now she's here.
Oh, God.
She's still chilling.
10 grandbabies. How about that?
Ooh, wait.
I'm like, that's just time to start Christmas shopping now.
10. I'm married, so I got 10 too.
Yes, you do.
2 kids of my own. Them niggas ain't got no damn kids. I don't know what the hell's wrong with them. I guess they ain't ready yet. But when it's retirement time for me, they ain't trying to put them in their mom. Hey, they calling you. They calling me.
Right.
They calling me. They calling somebody mom.
Mm-hmm.
Who the hell they go? I'm gonna take my phone. I'm gonna go.
Mm-mm.
My house crying. I'm like, my phone fell off the counter.
Yeah.
I'm like, the motherfucker want us to babysit. Hell no. You know what time it is?
Right.
It is called retirement time. When I get that might be a different story. Retirement time.
Yeah.
No time for that. I told him right now, I get. I got 10 grandkids from her. 10. Ooh, some of them are.
No, they not. They're just little explorers right now. They're trying to just see what life has to offer that they've been missing.
Whatever kid that had those kids, how they were when they was growing up, that's how they acting right now. Like, 2 of them, they sweet as pie. Some, oh lordy, B. I'm a Leo too. Some of them are Leo. I was like, what the? Sit down! What? They Leo. Bad as a motherfucker. Just
They
fucking
are.
bad.
For no reason that. But you know what? I'm so happy because
They always want, Grandma, can I come over your house?
Yep.
I be sick of my head. Like,
Oh no, Mickey.
And this year, did you know what she do when they come over? She pull her hand back there. She be like, oh, God damn it. Sit down! I be sitting over there on my tapping up like, oh.
I'm not gonna allow no kids to come up in my spot and tear down my house and go home. You feel me? That's what we not gonna do. You gonna act like you got some home training and sit down and watch TV. Bruh, that's not what you're going to grandma's house for, okay? Yeah. Some of these grandmothers be like, I'm grandma. They be tearing up their house. You know, you're not gonna come here and do that. You better know where you at. My grandkids know though. They come, they try it. What you say?
Honey, you so pretty.
They try it, huh?
Mm.
But
Get the foot on her.
it don't happen. Sure. That little girl. Oh Lord.
Ooh, wait, I ain't gonna say your name. But you know it started with R. Start with R.
That little boy.
Ooh.
And that little boy.
Oh, I ain't gonna say your name either. Your nickname is M. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And we know y'all brothers and sisters. And we know who your mommy is.
Ooh, I ain't gonna say no names. I ain't gonna say nothing but start with a T.
And she gave me hell. That's why.
That's how they doing that.
She getting 2-3 times
The
of what
business.
she served.
Get
And the
business.
one that just came to yesterday, she cute right now.
Oh, she's
and
adorable.
quiet.
Adorable.
Watch when she get older.
Sassy. She was like, Mom. She'll give the mom the business because the mom always be having the business. When we talking smack, the little girl will be like, she ain't gonna get a whooping. She ain't gonna get no whooping at all. She gonna be taking care of the whole household. She gonna run the house. She's already quiet. Quiet.
Mm.
Quiet as kept.
Mm-hmm. She is. Because that's how her mama was when she was little. She was so good. She wouldn't really cry or nothing. That, when she got bigger, oh my God. Oh my God. I used to be like, okay, wait till you have yours. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Her oldest kid is like, wait, how old is he? 13?
Mm-hmm.
She just had another one. You don't want that long.
She did. That's good. She spaced them out. No, she got a boy. She got a girl. She finished, you know.
That's it.
So.
See, I had a girl and a boy. Mine's is good. My son, I had to whoop his ass. I mean, tear his ass up. I'll be like, bro, before you go to school, do you want a whooping now? Or before you get home? He was like, Mom, I don't want no whooping. I'm going to be good. I get to work. Phone call. Can you come on the phone? Play it off with these little white people. Get on the phone. He get on the phone. Oh, yes, Mom. I'm whooping your ass when I get home. But now, he's a good kid. He's older now. He's a good kid. But I put this ass all the way through high school. High school. You don't think he will get it from a little age? Or, if I give him some medicine, I said, they're going to get no medicine. He going to keep getting this motherfucking belt or this goddamn hand and gets his goddamn body parts. And that's what he got. I whooped his ass. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck.
Me neither. I didn't care either. And I had all girls. They do what they had to do because I wasn't having it. I wanted boys, and I got all.
You got all boys now.
Girls now. It's boys, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Grandkids boys.
Mm-hmm.
How about that? Now you're chill. I like, baby, gonna have him come over. Oh, hell no, they bad. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they come over every now and then when my nerves is ready for that. You know what I'm saying? Because I already know I'm going to have to whoop somebody. And
you know, I'll be back. I'll be in the bed. I'm like, she back there. I got an outfit.
They're good kids, though. They just got to get some home training. You know what I'm saying? Because when you have children and you let them go play with Sam and Paula and all them at their mama's house and they're talking back to their mom and then these come home, you let them. I didn't let my kids go until they was like 16, 15, 16 before they was going to visit at their friend's house. They wouldn't get on the bus till they was like 17 because I didn't want that energy in my house from somebody else's house. Little Pam, she talking to her mom. Mom, oh no, Mom, I don't care, Mom. The hell with it. I wish you would come to my house with that. And I tell them that all the time. You're not going to her house? Why? You don't need to be over there. Let her come and visit over here. We were too damn ghetto for her ass, and she wasn't having it like she was having it at her house. So she would go home. Their little friends would go home. But finally, I let them out. And when they come back, I said, oh, you got that attitude? Oh, you been down the street. Oh, okay. Get your shit and get the fuck out. That's what you can do. Since that's the attitude you have, because you don't pay no bills up in here, it's not going to go down. We didn't do that. So I tell my grandkids, they know when they come over here, they try to be on their best. They try to be on their best behavior when they come here. It's way different. Because I know when they be over there with their mom, they just be running and jumping, because it's kid friendly. See, but we're old, over the hill old folks, So we're not really, we don't have a whole bunch of toys and really no kids here, We kind of feel like we're off work. This is our little downtime.
I got some god kids. You know what I do with the god kids? I be like, they leave shit down on the floor. I be like, okay, these motherfuckers ain't came back here. I'm like, right in the garbage. I stepped on it. It's in the garbage.
I love my grandbabies all in all, Hopefully next year sometime.
All them grandkids need to stop leaving their goddamn shoes here. Yeah, well.
Maybe next year we can all go on a little trip. I gather them up and take them. Yep, you going too. So, yeah. Well, I guess we're going to go ahead and...
I'm full, guys. I ain't ate no more. I'm good.
And
it was good, though. But
I hope I
was... Smackalicious?
That smackalicious is so...
These people's sauce is good with the...
Good. Can you get her package for me real quick?
Okay.
Thank you. Mm-hmm. I want to show them that I'm not playing with it.
Okay.
So I really hope that we was able to answer you guys' questions. And like I said before, comment below, ask anything, hit me in my box or however you want. And, we can start a topic, And this right here is real. This is real. This is real.
I can't see the face really.
See, this is real.
Yeah, you gotta this part right here so we can see the face. I can see her.
This is real.
That's the real.
Go on, girl. You did your thing, Mary Jane. So, let's do a thumbnail. Here. Take one of these, I guess. Take one of him. Yeah. Got it. Subscribe, comment, share, like it. Hey, and comment. Please leave comments down.
Y'all can talk to us. We can tell
Please.
you a whole bunch of different stuff about the relationship between two sexes and one sex. Oh man, we got it.
Whatever you
It
guys
took us
want.
a minute. We got it.
Yeah, we did. We made it happen. You know, I would love to see other couples make it. You know, it is always,
All communication.
and it's always a beautiful thing. And so you are riding with Tanya and
Robin.
love you guys. Come on back. Thank you for joining us too. Have a good week. It's time to go to work. Bye.
Don't forget,